Hello, I'm here today with my mother Jane and we're going to be making a family favourite recipe, which is our famous strawberry cheesecake.
Yep.
That we used to make every summer.
And I'm really pleased that you're not going to have to beat the hell out of those, but you're going to be able to put them in the mixer.
Yeah.
Always have one of these in the family. In fact, I've still got it.
Yeah.
And if you want to, I can pass it on to you at a small cost.
So what should we start with?
I think we start with beating up the biscuits.
Okay.
Right.
Put them all in there?
Put them all in there, baby.
Perfect.
Right. That's on like that.
Yeah.
That's on like that. That's it.
Put them in there.
You put the butter over the biscuits.
Folding in the butter.
Perfect. And then when you've done that, I will get going with a vanilla pod. That's it. Good girl.
There we are. You happy?
I am happy actually. I think it looks really nice.
It's a good base, that.
Perfect. You have to get violent, don't you?
Well, this is sticking to the spoon, so just get everything off. There we go.
Coming off all over your mummy.
Right, there we go. Done.
Done.
Put that in the fridge
That's it to chill
for an hour.
for an hour.
So I'll put the cream cheese in first.
That's right. That's it carefully.
Oh yeah. Sugar.
Right.
Double cream.
Right now.
Right, we're definitely going to need a splash guard to prevent serious
Accidents. Exactly.
And there we go. Oh wait,
Oh my God, the vanilla pods.
we haven't. Oh no, we haven't done the sherry.
No, no sherry, baby.
Why
No,
not?
honestly, no, because
Just a little splash.
I know, no, I think not, because that was something you used to like do in the old days when you were a naughty
so
girl,
good
but
then.
now you're a grown up. I know it's fabulous, isn't it?
Well, we said we can't put any sherry in. We'll have a glass of sherry with it then.
Okay. All right then. Put that down again. That's it. Slide that in here, and off we go.
You can have any setting. What setting would you like it on?
I'd like it a bit faster than that.
It's great for checking the lipstick.
For God's sake, Binky. Now, come on, quickly, get that off.
Is it enough?
I reckon it's done now.
There we go.
Good. Oh, thank
And as
you.
if by magic,
Okay.
voila. Now we need the cooled down base. Do you mind passing me a
chilled
spatula, please, Mother? It gets a fine surface distribution when I do that.
You don't know what you're talking
Yes, it
about.
does. I've seen them do it. The top chefs do it,
How many top
and it
chefs
makes
do you
a
see
really
do
good
that?
noise when you just fling it on.
Now that's got to go back in the fridge to chill for now.
There you go. Would you mind doing the honours?
Oh right, yeah. Look, I was instructing you.
That was good. You want some of that? Oh, don't be sexy about it.
I'm not.
Now the cheesecake is chilling, we're gonna make the topping.
Good.
Chuck those bad boys in there. Add the sugar, thank you.
Girl. And give it a whiz. Actually, that's really good.
I know, I'm an artist.
That's it. Don't ever egg it.
Beautiful.
So good. So good.
That's the best one I've ever had.
Well, this one hasn't got alcohol. Maybe you're growing up now. That was good. Well done, baby.
Thank you. Well, you helped a bit.
Helped a lot, actually.